Welcome to Sogan's Crochet, guys. Hi guys, this is Sogan. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet this beautiful Irish crochet lace border. This video is dedicated to you. So let's see together. Start the slip knot, then chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into the first chain, then make a triple crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains. Yarn over, insert your hook into this ring, then make 12 double crochets in this circle. 4, 5, 6. Please fill in the upper part of the circle. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Chain 1, turn your work, make 13 single crochets in each stitch. 10, 11, 12, 13. I crocheted my 13 single crochets, chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into this back loop and this loop of my previous row, and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2, 3 times to make a triple crochet. Chain 3, then make 12 double crochets in this circle. Please fill in the upper part of the circle. Keep going. I crocheted my 12 double crochets, then make a slip stitch in first stitch of my first texture. Chain 1, turn your work, then make 13 single crochets in each stitch. I crocheted my 13 single crochets, then chain 6 and repeat. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into the back loop and this loop of my previous row, and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2, 3 times to make a triple crochet. Chain 3, then make 12 double crochets in this circle. 1 and 2. Please fill in the upper part of the circle, then meet me. I crocheted my 12 double crochets, then make a slip stitch in first stitch of my previous texture. Chain 1, turn your work, then make 13 single crochets in each stitch. Continue until you reach the desired length. I reach my desired length. Chain 1, cut the yarn off. Take your next color for crocheting your border. Start the slip knot. Insert your hook into the back loop and this loop of the previous row, then make a slip stitch. Chain 1, 2, 3, yarn over 3 times, then insert your hook into this space of chains, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 to make a double triple crochet. Chain 3, then make a pocket. Chain 1 and repeat. Yarn over 3 times, insert your hook into the same space, yarn over, pull through 2, 4 times to make a double triple crochet. Chain 3, then make a pocket. Chain 1 and repeat. You can crochet it 7 or 9 times. Once more. Chain 3, make a pocket, chain 1 and repeat. Keep repeating. I crocheted 7 times. At the end, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then make a slip stitch in the middle of your texture. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over 3 times, insert your hook into the next space, then make a double triple crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains, then make a slip stitch to make a pocket. Chain 1 and repeat. I crocheted this side of my border. At the end, chain 6, then make a slip stitch. Back loop, please. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over 3 times and repeat again to crochet the border of my other side of my texture. Fill your other side. Keep going. I crocheted this row at the end, chain 4, then make a slip stitch in the middle of my texture. Chain 1, cut the yarn off. Thank you for joining us today. I appreciate your taking the time. I'm grateful for your support. Thank you for looking. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please support me by commenting and subscribing. You can absolutely share the link with your friends. Have a nice one.